Morning.
Bucky!
Is Murdoch? Oh, yeah.
Grandpa, can you get Bucky up? Up, 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 up!
Abby looks like a dead-end kid now.
Miller! Hi! Hi, sweetheart!
Hey!
Hi, Bucky. Oh, summer days in his cabana. Yes. Kaboom!
Kaboom!
Here comes Whitey. Grampy's there to save the day.
Whitey, would you get my chair when you're done there? My chair?
Yeah.
Is it a special? Because
It's one like that.
Okay,